you see Wilson's email?
Yeah, I'm on it.
What is this?
It's Copilot in Microsoft Excel. Now hold still. I'm about to perform a miracle. Stuff that takes hours, we'll do it in minutes.
My spreadsheet doesn't do that.
Okay, I admit it. It's pretty neat. But there still isn't enough time.
Don't panic. I'm just gonna have Copilot build another report.
My spreadsheet doesn't do that.
Oh, look at this new ask from Wilson. She wants a price comparison. Give it up. Look. Let's just say that your PC got run over by a bus and that you're lucky to be alive.
Oh, ye of little faith. Pull price information from competitors listed on sheet 2. With a few clicks, our superhero fixed errors, incorporated relevant data, and cleaned the whole thing up.
My spreadsheet doesn't do that.
I can't believe it. You did it. This is a miracle.
This is Microsoft Excel.